Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today we're getting straight into some color swatching, so there won't be a design in this video, but I'm going to be swatching some colors that I got off of Temu and Amazon, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So I feel like this video is not going to be too much of me talking, but I do want to address something that I did in my last video. I did a nail haul and I did feature a couple of gel polishes, this set from Temu, and someone helped me learn how to pronounce the brand. The brand that I am unboxing right now is pronounced Xeijayi, and this is the one that I got from Temu, and I was told that I should probably refrain from buying gels from Temu, Shein, especially cheaper gels. So I am going to be doing some research on different brands that are safe to use and are HEMA free or just have a very low percentage of HEMA used. I don't want to spread misinformation on my channel, and I have done Beetles related videos on my channel. I have a Beetles kit that I'm going to feature in this video, but this was all filmed before I knew about this. I am still going to put this video up, but I just think it's best for me to give out this little disclaimer before getting into it, because I won't even link this one below. Okay, I'll link it below, but just, you know, on your own discretion, just know that I'm not going to be using Beetles anymore because of what I've been hearing, and I've been doing my own personal research. And yes, I have a platform. It's small and I do love my little community here, but I don't want to spread misinformation. So this video was filmed before I learned about this, but I'll still pull it up. And yes, please in the comments let me know what you think of these gel polish brands. If you have any recommendations and suggestions for really good, safe to use brands that are still beginner friendly, because I know my channel is very centered around being beginner friendly, please share that with me, because I want to share that with the community and invest in brands that actually care to make safe to use products. So these bottles do not have any specific names for them, they just have numbers, so I'm just going to swatch all of them and show you what they look like. I usually do 2 swatches for videos like this, and I also did a nail set using these colors. That one's going to be in another video coming out after this one. I was going to combine it into this video, but I think I'll separate them because it took me a little while to do it, so I don't want my videos to be too long. And I also wanted to bring up one thing real quick. It's just like I never realized how much tea and drama is in the nail community. I have been keeping up with a lot of controversies and drama in the nail community, specifically on a YouTube page called Manicures and Mess, and I didn't realize how many brands were kind of controversial to work with, and I have worked with a few brands that were on that list, and so I felt a little like self-conscious about it, or conscience, I think self-conscious, yeah, that's the word. I felt self-conscious about it because I'm like, I don't want to promote a brand that doesn't have good values, and so that's really important to me, and I've been taking that a lot seriously than I did before, because for me it was just like, oh, it's affordable, I'm gonna do nails, yay, it's pretty. And yes, I want nails to be fun, I really do, but I also want it to be ethical. So if I ever do anything that's like non-ethical, I want to correct myself. And I really appreciate the comments that I got in my last video that warned me about certain nail practices, so I will be extra careful moving forward. And yeah, I want to continue to make this a fun space. Welcome to my new subscribers. I know I got quite a bit from last time, so hey, what's poppin'? I usually don't talk this much in the beginning. I don't know. I do yap a lot, so it varies. I can't even give you any promises. But yeah, welcome. I hope you love it here. And yes, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of me swatching, and then I'll check back in with you later.
You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted, and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah. It's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me when you know love is all I know just how you feel, yeah. I don't wanna stay, no, no. I don't really wanna go, and I don't want to go. Get it together. Come on, babe, let's get it together. I don't really wanna go. I really hope and pray is, can we get it together? Come on, boy, get it together. Yeah. See, I'm so confused. I just don't know what to do, and I don't understand. No, you know I don't wanna stay. You know I don't wanna go. Baby, please listen to me. I don't wanna. I don't really wanna stay. I don't wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get away? I hope, I pray, baby.
Alright, so these are all the 9 colors swatched. Honestly, I think one coat would have been perfectly fine. These look so good, and I hope to be able to use them even if it's in a minimal capacity, because these colors are gorgeous and I have been looking for a good set of browns. Oh my gosh, there was one color that I think I used one coat only, and I was like, you know what, this looks good after one coat. I do 2 just to show you guys what they look like with 1 or 2 coats, but honestly you just need 1. These colors are perfect for the fall season, and so I will be putting out a video where I do a fall themed kind of, well, sort of kind of fall theme set, but I will be using these colors, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna move on to the next set of gel polishes. It feels so crazy for me to be editing this video after realizing like I really shouldn't be using Beetles, and I filmed this before that, but like I said, I'm just gonna put the video out anyway. So this is the Beetles 6 color gel polish kit. It does say it's HEMA free, but we're gonna put a pause on that, a question mark, because we don't know. Just swatching here. These colors are gorgeous though, and I have raved about the packaging before in my haul video. I'm gonna keep it at that because yeah, I have been sent Beetles products in the past and did do reviews on them, and I use them regularly through other videos. I do possess plenty of other products though from different brands, so I'm not that distraught to put these to the side. But yeah, I'm just pulling out these 6 colors, and these are gorgeous and very fall based, and that was the intention behind it because we're still in November, because as soon as December hits, y'all, I am doing Christmas. Okay, I had so many Christmas designs that I had to push it back to Valentine's Day and rework it as a Valentine's Day idea. I have designs planned throughout the year, by the way. That's you know, I'll add in viral nails here and there, but I am so excited. I have so many things. But let's get straight into the swatching. So like I said, this set has 6 colors, and I'm just gonna go one by one and show you what they look like on my swatch stick. I do 2 coats for this as well. And these colors do not have any names either. They just have like little numbers and letters, a number and letter combination at the top of the bottle. I don't know if they're relevant to any of their individual bottles that they sell, but that is just what they have. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what they look like.
Now here's a story about a woman with dreams, so picture perfect, the 13 and ebony queen. Beneath the surface, it was more than just a crooked smile. Nobody knew about a secret, so it took a while. I could see a tear fall slow down a black Jeep, shedding quiet tears in the backseat. So when she asked me, what would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture 3 crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment, I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come and take me for niggas violated. They chased and they raped me, even though it wasn't me. I could feel the grief thinking with your brains blown, that would make the pain go no. You gotta find a way to survive, cause they win when your soul dies. Baby, please don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. I hope you got your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up, baby, don't cry. I hope you got your head up, head up, head up.
Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. I started out, I saw you standing, I started recently. I knew you too. And just like a morning, you were too shy, but you weren't the only one, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I build up my confidence. Next time you come my way, I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name.
Going through hard times, ghetto child of mine. I wonder if you have to suffer for your father's crimes. To be honest, it's a hard road. Just keep your faith in God, knowing you're scarred though. Look at him walking and talking, a little child with my eyes and mouth. Father, watch over little seeds, help me guide them out. Had to change my whole lifestyle. Married my baby's mama, made her my wife now. I'm trying hard, y'all. Maybe in time I'll be a better man. Watching the older couples handle it like veterans. Show me the meaning of forever, and together we rise. If it would help our child grow, then together we die. Why? Question my love, it's so easy to see. Without my family, all I'm left with is a shadow of me. After all the arguments and the nights alone, now it's time to live a good life, good life.
Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk?
DJ discretion.
It's they all say, yo, y'all say it, they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo in the O. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack, I'm Camo in the O. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was no baby mom. Want me to come around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round around in it.
Alright, so these are what the covers look like. There are 2 swatches on them and they look great. Like, all of the colors I swatched have a top coat on them, which is why they're so shiny. And like the other gel polish set, I will be using these in a very minimal amount, maybe not ever, but they are swatched and they look good, and I wanted to make a video for you guys. So thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved how, well, these aren't really nails, so that's usually in my intro, but anyways, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.
I'm the shit, I'm the shit, I'm the shit on. Everyone feel like this.